Close your eyes and think about a clear blue water, gentle waves, and a calm feeling. Because swimming pool is more than just water. When we feel tired or stressed, swimming pool আমাদের naturally সেই tiredness থেকে বের করে. Why? Well, let's know about swimming pool today. Well, a swimming pool is a place filled with clear blue water where people mainly swim or relax. It can be big or small, indoor or out. But the main thing is এটা আপনার tiredness অনেক দূর করে. And from here we learn many learning skills. So let's learn about swimming pool today. এখন question হতে পারে সুইমিং পুলের ধারণা কোথা থেকে আসলো? Well, সুইমিং পুল অনেক আগে থেকে মানুষ ইউজ করতো। সুইমিং পুলের আইডিয়াটা মেনলি অনেক আগের, যখন মানুষজন ইউজ করতো সুইমিং পুল নট অনলি ফর সার্ভাইভাল বাট অলসো ফর হেলথ। তারা সবসময় সুইমিং পুল ইউজ করতো অনেক আগের কথা। লাইক এনশিয়েন্ট রোম অ্যান্ড গ্রিস পিপল ইউজ পাবলিক বাথস অ্যান্ড পুলস, কারণ তারা জানতো water keeps the body fresh and active. So they use the public baths and swimming pools. And then slowly swimming pool এমন একটা প্লেস হলো যেখানে মানুষ লাইক অনেক ইউজ করতো, and this is a place for relaxation. So মানুষ শিখতে শুরু করলো how to swim, and yeah, it became a relaxation place. Now come to the most important thing, the rules of swimming pool. Well, we should follow the rules because it is really important for us because it makes us safe. So yeah, you must follow the rules. Well, the first rule can be before coming to swimming pool, you should take a shower because that's why the water stays clean. So you should take a shower. And the most important thing is running is really risky. আপনি যদি এখান দিয়ে দৌড়ান, so it will be really risky কারণ এটা কিন্তু একদম slippery. So walking slowly is better. And another most important thing is you should listen the lifeguard because they are there to protect you. So you must follow these rules. What should be remembered? First of all, before going to the swimming pool, always check how deep the water is because wrong idea about depth can be dangerous. Then, if you're a beginner, like you don't know that much about swimming, কিভাবে swim করতে হয় আপনি অতটা জানেন না, then অবশ্যই shallow area থাকবেন. Now the question is, what is shallow area? Well, shallow area হলো এমন একটা জায়গা যেখানে পানির পরিমাণ mainly কম থাকে, and this place is mainly for the kids and beginner. So yeah, you have to stay there. And পানিতে থাকার সময়ও কিন্তু আপনার একটু টায়ার্ড ফিল হতে পারে, সো অবশ্যই তখন রেস্ট নেবেন because further it will be really really dangerous. So remember it. What to do in the swimming pool? Wear the proper clothes because it will make your movements more easier. So if you wear the swimming clothes, then আপনার মুভমেন্ট করতে ইজি হবে and কোনো প্রবলেম হবে না. And then do some light warm-ups so your body will feel more comfortable and it makes your body more easy. So do some light warm-up. And lastly, of course, be kind and polite with others in the swimming pool because everyone come here to enjoy the swimming pool, right? What you must not do. First of all, never push someone or jump into the swimming pool because accidents happen suddenly. So কখনোই কাউকে ধাক্কা দিবেন না অথবা জাম্প করবেন না সুইমিং পুলে, even as a joke. Then do not bring drinks or snacks there because it makes slippery and mess. So yeah, you should not bring the things there. And avoid swimming alone if you are feeling unwell or tired. কখনোই একা সুইম করবেন না যদি আপনি tired অথবা unwell ফিল করছেন. So, a swimming pool is not only about fun. It is a place for learning many things, disciplines, many rules, and yeah, many important things. So, when you come in swimming pool again, then stay careful, maintain the discipline, and swim smart.